Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over the tap step called the Cincinnati. Now, if you haven't learned the drawback yet, I would recommend going back and watching my video on how to do a drawback because the Cincinnati builds on a drawback. So you can find the link to my drawback video in the description below. All right, let's get into the Cincinnati. So if we remember a drawback, it's a step, spank, heel, right? So right foot, you have a step, a spank, and then your heel. Okay, so a little bit faster, it would go step, spank, heel. Okay, so with the Cincinnati, sometimes also with a drawback, you might start with that spank. So instead of doing a step, spank, heel, you would start with your foot a little bit in front and do a spank, heel, step. It's just a way to start them. I don't tend to start them that way. I tend to start them with that step. But if you wanted to start with that spank, so say you were starting with your right foot, you would have your right foot in front and you would start with that spank, heel, step. Okay? I do tend to start my Cincinnatis with that spank. So let me go over now what they look like. So starting with that spank, you're going to go spank, heel. So right, left, spank, heel. Then you're going to do a shuffle on your right. This is the Cincinnati part, this shuffle part. So shuffle right, you're going to drop your left heel, and then this is where the drawback comes in. Because right foot, you're now going to do a step, spank, heel. Okay, so again, starting on that right foot, a little bit forward, you have spank, heel, shuffle, heel, drawback. Okay, so right foot starts, you have spank, heel, shuffle, heel, and then drawback. And if you notice, that drawback is then going to start us into the left side shuffle. So that spank heel can also be found on the left side in that drawback. Okay, so once we finish that right foot drawback, you're going to do a left side shuffle, heel drop, and then a left side drawback. Okay, so let's try a few in a row, nice and slow, starting with your right foot in first to get that spank heel. Here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that Cincinnati part is the shuffle that you're putting in between those drawbacks. So let me try some facing forward now. Starting right foot again, a little bit forward. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, nice job. Same thing from the side. It might be a little hard on my small board to get the shuffles in. But starting with that right foot forward, spank, heel, shuffle, heel, drawback. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. So as you can tell, these tend to move backwards, just like the drawbacks move backwards. So again, let me show you a few moving backwards now. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Same thing on the left side. Let's try a few. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's try a little bit faster now. So still 4 in a row, starting with that spank. Here we go. Faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Say you wanted to start left foot now. Let's try a few on the left foot. So starting left, 4 in a row, starting with that spank. Right? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. nicely done. Let me show you the faster version now, going from the front. So right foot starts, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left foot, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, nicely done. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. If you have a specific step that you would like me to break down for you, go ahead and put it in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.